In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Slack profile in just 5 minutes. Whether you're moving to a new team, taking a break from work, or simply decluttering your digital life, deleting your profile can be a straightforward process if you know where to look. Let's dive right in and make this as simple as possible. First, you need to head over to the Slack website, which is your go-to platform for all things related to this task. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Slack's homepage. Once you're there, look for the option to sign in. For many, the easiest way to access Slack is to click on the Sign In with Google button. This option streamlines the login process and eliminates the need to remember another set of credentials. Simply follow the prompts to log in with your Google account, and you'll be taken directly to your Slack dashboard. Now let's go to the Slack dashboard to access your workspace. This dashboard is akin to your personalized control center in Slack, where you manage conversations, channels, and settings related to your account. Once you're inside, locate the section designated for your profile. It's usually found on the left-hand side of the screen. Clicking here will bring up all the personal information related to your Slack account. In this profile section, you'll find an option called Account Settings. Clicking on it will lead you to a page where you can manage this and any other workspaces you're part of, as well as your personal details. This page allows you to review and potentially edit your account information. If you're sure about wanting to delete your profile, you'll proceed to the next step, which is scrolling to the bottom of the Account Settings page to find the Deactivate Account link. It's crucial to note that deactivating your profile means you won't have access to any conversations or files you currently have in this workspace. This action cannot be undone, so ensure you've saved any necessary information or files elsewhere before proceeding. Once you click on Deactivate Account, a confirmation pop-up will appear, likely asking you to finalize your decision. It's a standard step to prevent accidental deactivations. Take a moment to review any last-minute considerations, and if everything is in order, confirm the deactivation. Congratulations! You've successfully deleted your Slack profile. These steps have not only helped you manage your digital workspace, but also ensure your online presence is exactly what you wish it to be. Remember to inform any team members beforehand if necessary, as your absence might affect ongoing projects. Thank you for following along, and feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need a reminder. See you in the next tutorial.